cable lateral raises. This is a fantastic exercise for tension on the medial delt, the rear delt, and the anterior delt for creating a really nice full round sculpted shoulder. So for this exercise, we're going to start with the cable nice and low. We're going to use a single arm attachment. Michelle's going to be in a nice solid posture, feet shoulder width apart, core nice and tight. She's going to start, I'm not going to have you pull right across. I'm going to have you stop here. We're going to keep that wrist nice and locked straight. From there, she's going to extend up shoulder height, making sure her wrist, her elbow, and her shoulder are all at the same height. We really want to make sure we don't end up in this position or this position, which are both really hard on that rotator cuff. So nice and straight, we're coming down just to relax pose and then coming straight back up. We're exhaling on the up. You can put your right hand on your thigh for posture control or even on your core for a little bit more core control. Perfect. This exercise gets tough quickly and Michelle's doing them nice and slow and controlled here. Notice how she is coming up and she's controlling that down motion. She's not swinging down or letting the cable pull her. It's all very nice and controlled. That's fantastic. These get hard really quickly, so make sure you use a really nice light weight to start and make sure that form stays really strong, smooth, and clean. That, my friends, is your cable lateral raise.